So let's look at this string manipulation challenge we have today. We have a function called Find Vowels, which receives a string, and we are supposed to find the zero-based indices of the vowels within that string. It's important that we do not use any built-in Python string methods. So for example, the word hello, it has two vowels in it, E and O. We're supposed to return a list that has the positions of those vowels, the zero-based position. So for example here, H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, L is 3, and O is 4. So the positions of E and O is 0 and 4 respectively, and that is what we're supposed to return. So let's see how we approach that one. So first, let's define an empty list. This is the one that we're going to use to populate with the indices of the vowels in the string. So we're going to say vowel positions. It's an empty list at first, so that's what we're going to return, vowel positions. Next, let's define a set of the vowels. I'll just get that from somewhere. Don't have to write the whole thing. I prefer to use a set, so define vowels set. Set is faster to work with as opposed to, say, using a string. Next, we're going to iterate through the string to find indices, right? So here we can use a for loop for index in range using the length of the string s. Then we check if the current character at that index, we check if it's a vowel. Okay, so check if character is a vowel. So what do? We say if the character at position I, if it's in vowels, the vowels that we've defined up here, if we can find that one in the vowels, then that is the one we push in vowel positions. So we say vowel positions dot append I. So what we are appending is the index of that, the position of that of that character, right? So after all that is done, we'll come to the end of the for loop. Then we're going to get out of the for loop, and then we're going to return the positions of that. So let's see what we get. So for example, here we have hello. So let me just run this so we see. Okay, good. So here we see we have hello. E and O is what you're looking for, position 1 and position 4. Python O is also what we're looking for, so that's why you have that one here. In X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, there is no vowel, so that's why you're having an empty list that has been returned, and the rest you can see there. The time complexity is O of n, because you're only iterating once through the list S, the string S, sorry. Then the space complexity is V, where V is the number of vowels. And then there's an additional constant of O of 1 because we are using a set.